Hey everyone, it's Rachel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to color lace using the Color Therapy app. This is actually one of the easiest yet most impressive techniques. I will show you 3 different ways to draw lace in this lesson. If you want to follow along with me, this image is under Fashion Haute Couture. So for this image, I wanted to have white lace on top of a semi-opaque material. So let's start off by tapping to fill in her skin color first. Under the Skin Shades palette, I'm using the 8th color and just tapping to fill in all of her skin with that. And then I'll be using the 5th color as her dress. So I'll just tap to fill in the dress. And I'm going to be using a basic white for this, but you can use any color if you're doing a different color lace. Let's start off with this little embellishment right here. So for this dress, I want this lace part to be white, but I also want to have little areas in between showing the lace. Here's a quick example of what I'm going for. So I want the lace for this first example to be fully white, and then I want to show these little circles that go around it for the lace. So the only tool we need to use is going to be the pen tool. So set the size to 1 and opacity at 100. Zooming into the arm here, all I'm going to do is just draw circles, and coloring inside the lines mode is set to on. And these are not perfect circles and they're not all the same size, but they are connected. And all you need to do is essentially cover the whole area. So I'm just coloring in her arm here, wherever I see the skin color. My circles are a little more like domes. I'm not drawing the circle all the way around. I'm just connecting the bottom to the top of another circle. So that's one way to do lace. Now I'll show you the second way to color lace. So using the same color that you had for the dress color, just tap to fill in one of the embellishments. And then go back to the pen tool and make sure it's set to white, and coloring inside the lines mode is still set to on. And you want to roughly outline the inside of each element. Make sure it's nice and thick too. And then using your finger, you're just gonna do up and down, quick back and forth strokes going across that element. You can do really quick movements with this, and then apply that to the whole embellishment. And then for a larger area, such as this leaf, you can draw a line down the middle, and you can draw little lines coming out from that if you want. Now I'll show you the last way to do lace, and this is freehand. So using our same settings, I'm going to take my finger and just draw a line coming upward from the top. And I'm just connecting these little lines right here on each side of the dress, kind of swooping up and down. And from here, I'm just going to make my own little pattern. So I'm going to just draw these little half circles, just following along those lines. And I'll do another layer. And then one more layer as well. Then I'm going to draw little diamond shapes within there. And then I'll just repeat those steps below that. I would also thicken those first lines you did at the top. So it's not too delicate looking, but it's still a nice lattice work across her back. If you want, you can even connect little lines in between each of those little diamonds that you drew too. It's really up to you what kind of pattern you like to do. Here's the fully colored image showing all 3 ways to color lace. You can also apply this to denim or any other type of clothing. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.